So I was building the earthquake detector since it's in the earthquake area. It wasn't the ring of fire, but from a different part of the ocean. And we have different faults. But anyway, so how does it work? Shall I press it?
Just roll down.
Roll down.
All right.
Here you go. The second page. Okay, here's my layout, and problems that I found were that the connections were too close. You probably could separate them more, and like right here, I would do it right now. I would separate them more, and right here to the point of connection, so you spread them more. And here, I would make this one longer and this one too, because like it's too close and I wasn't able to slow pretty much. So I had to use tricks, bridges and stuff, and like the rest was all right. Okay. Okay, so I used my earthquake detector as early warning system for earthquakes because the way it detects, it's supposed to detect P waves, like P waves are the waves that come closer, faster, that go through the earth faster than like S waves and L waves. And L waves are more disastrous than P waves. We actually cannot feel P waves. And like the way it works, on the seismogram, we can see P waves first, then S waves are a little bit bigger, and L waves are huge, and they destroy everything if they are big enough. And actually, from the time when P wave arrived and S wave arrived, you can calculate how far it was. And using like 3 points of earthquake detectors, you can calculate where the earthquake was generated. So, like, if the P wave arrived and you can detect it fast enough, you can know about the earthquake is coming, and you can be alert earlier and pack your belongings, jump out of the house. So it saves time and guesswork, and you're pretty much sure that it's an earthquake, because like being in seismic activity, so you pretty much expect an earthquake, and you always have to think about it, and like, is it just me shaking or the ground shakes? So you kind of have to look like on your whatever is hanging on the of your ceiling. Like, well, it was a lot of fun. Demonstration. The device, and when the earthquake starts, the way it's supposed to move. So, like when we start the earthquake and move the thing, it detects the earthquake. And I'm sure I gave it a pretty big kick, so it says that.
What is inside the cardboard thing?
It's the, I'm not sure how it's called.
Photo detector. It's called a photo
Photo
detector.
detector. So yeah, it let the voltage through when the light is on, and when the light is off, it doesn't. It sets to 0.
So what does
supposedly.
the code do? It just prints a message?
It, yeah, it detects how big the voltage go through, and so
Well, you're using
Checks
the window of average, right?
yeah, it
Taking
does
the
use
deviation from the
it,
average.
it averages like 10. It check 10 samples and use the average, and then it kicks the first sample and adds the last one.
Cool.
The average again.